Hi, fifth grade, it's Mrs. Feathers. I'm going to go over your last grammar pages of the year. They are pages 131 to 134, and we are focusing on adverbs that compare. On page 131, the box tells us that an adverb can compare two or more actions. Adverbs that compare two actions use ER or more. Adverbs that compare three or more actions use EST or most. For this page, the directions state to read each sentence and write the correct comparative form of the adverb in parentheses on the line provided. Number 1 says, I can run blank than my brother. I want to use the word fast. Because I'm comparing myself to my brother, I'm going to use the comparative form faster, adding ER. Let's also take a look at number 2. Our father runs blank of all. Because I am comparing three or more people, I want to use the superlative form of quickly. Quickly ends in ly, so I can't add est, quickliest. Instead, I'm going to add the word most in front of quickly. Our father runs most quickly of all. You will complete this page with the same directions for 3 through 10. Page 132 is looking at comparative adverbs again. The box tells us that we add ER or EST to most short adverbs to compare actions. We add more or most to adverbs that have two or more syllables or to adverbs that end in ly. The directions on this page say to read each sentence and write the correct comparative form of the adverb in parentheses on the line provided. Number 1 says, the sun shone brightly today than yesterday. Because I am comparing 2 days, I want to use the comparative form of brightly. Brightly ends in ly, so instead of adding ER to the word, I'm going to add the word more in front of brightly. The sun shone more brightly today than yesterday. You will complete this page with the same directions for 2 through 10. Page 133, we're looking at using good, well, more, most, ER, or EST. The box tells us that good is often an adjective and well is often an adverb that tells how. Good and well cannot be used interchangeably. Well can be an adjective when it means healthy. As with the adjective good, the comparative form of well is better and the superlative form is best. We never add ER and more or EST and most to the same adverb. The directions on this page say to read each sentence. Choose the word in parentheses that best completes each sentence and write it on the line provided. The carpenter did a blank job on our new porch. For this one, I want to use the word good because it is an adjective in this sentence, describing the job that the carpenter did. You will complete this page with the same directions for 2 through 10. Your very last page is page 134. I gave you a little hint that there are 7 mistakes. The box reminds us of the same rules from pages 131 to 133. The directions say to proofread the paragraph and on the lines provided, correct mistakes in grammar and mechanics. I like to go a sentence at a time, so let's do the first sentence together. I wasn't feeling good, so I went to the nurse. Good is used incorrectly in this sentence. The previous page reminded us that if I am using the word good as in healthy, I want it to read as well. I wasn't feeling well, so I went to the school nurse. You will finish this page by correcting the rest of the mistakes and rewriting it on the lines provided. Mrs. Oliver, Mr. Casper, and myself want to thank you for all of the hard work you put in the classroom and outside of the classroom this year. You did an awesome job as 5th graders, and we are also interested to see who is watching these videos and watching them to the very end. If you email us the silly phrase, stinky feet, you will get a bonus point from us. We wish you all the luck in middle school. Have a fabulous summer, and we hope to see you around. Bye, 5th grade.